Welcome back to our show where we dive into the art of making productivity look effortless. Today we're chatting about listing at scale, the lazy girl's guide to looking productive.
I'm excited to dig in. So, what exactly does listing at scale mean for a reseller?
Well, it's basically the process of creating a massive number of listings swiftly using systems, templates, and clever tools. So you stop retyping black cropped hoodie size small over and over. That
Yep.
saves you a ton of time and keeps your sanity intact.
Right, so it's like automating the boring parts of reselling to give you more freedom for the creative stuff.
Exactly. Imagine batching your tasks, one day for photos, the next for measurements, and then listing them all in one go. It's like not bouncing between tasks and getting overwhelmed. You get consistent sales and keep your shop
Hmm.
active, even if you're, say, deep into a Love is Blind binge.
That sounds seriously efficient. But isn't there a risk of becoming too robotic? I mean, sometimes a rigid template can make your listings feel generic, don't you think?
You bring up a great point. It can happen if you don't tweak your templates now and then. You've got to add a bit of personality, the art of blending automation with a human
Yes.
touch. It's about working smarter and still showing off your unique style.
And speaking of automation, I love that there are tools like photo background removers and smart title generators mentioned. They really take things to the next level.
Absolutely. Those tools aren't just for show. They actually help streamline processes like auto sharing, relisting, and even sending offers. It's like your closet working overtime while you're catching up on cat videos, efficiency in its best
Right.
form.
I can see the appeal. Batching everything, using templates, and automating the repetitive tasks not only saves a ton of time, but also builds momentum. More listings mean more visibility for your shop, right?
Exactly. And with that momentum comes data. Tracking what sells and what just sits there is crucial. It's like having a pulse on your business. Data never lies, though humans sometimes do.
Hmm.
It lets you fine tune everything over time.
I really appreciate how this process transforms a hectic to-do list into a system that practically runs itself. But it's still important to periodically check in and make sure the quality's not slipping.
Definitely, quality control remains key. You wouldn't want to accidentally list your lunch as vintage, would you?
No
Balancing
way.
efficient scale with quality is the secret sauce.
It's a neat blend of tech and creativity. A true lazy girl's guide to looking super productive while really enjoying the perks of automation.
For sure. Embrace the batch tasks, optimize with those nifty templates, and let the automation do the heavy lifting, leaving you free to add your personal flair. That's the
Exactly.
key to staying sane and profitable.
Thanks for this chat. It's great how technology can actually give us more time for the creative and fun side of reselling.
Always a pleasure. Remember, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart and letting your shop shine even on your chill days. Stay productive and keep it
Absolutely.
glam.